Reuse of frequently used and proven solutions can decrease the risk of errors as well as significantly reduce the time required to develop new designs. The Reuse Blocks feature allows you to create interconnected schematic and layout fragments to use in your future projects. All created blocks are placed in the Design Reuse panel. Before placing, this panel allows you to preview the contents of each block. The block can be placed on the schematic either as an ordinary schematic snippet or as a sheet symbol automatically created from this block. Within the schematic, block components can be freely moved and connected to any circuits within the project. Reuse blocks are interconnected on the schematic and the PCB, so data exchange within the ECO reproduces on the board document exactly the same layout that was specified when the reuse block was created. The whole presented set of elements appears as a ready-made group and can easily be placed and connected in any desired location. The properties of the component within the group include information about its belonging to a certain reuse block, and display all necessary data of the block.